Okay, so I got a dumb idea. So call me an idiot, but I kind of like the rain. I also like driving in it. So today, we're going to make sure that my tarp won't fly off. Just cram it in there. And then we're going to go driving in the rain. Because I need rain driving experience anyways. And what a better way to possibly get pulled over and also have fun while driving. Oh, and also possibly crash, but we're going to try and avoid that part. Ooh, lightning. We're then going to go mess with my friend, Jackson. And then we're going to see where it goes from there. I'm also probably going to grab my brother a drink from the gas station. Because he wanted one. GM keys. This is the first time it's actually been dry in my interior and there's water on my windshield. Should just start right up. Perfect. Now, usually I would play music on this. However, I'm probably going to get copyrighted for it. So I'm just going to use the clock. And then we plug in my dash cam because I haven't been able to get it hardwired yet. And then we turn this little guy and the wipers come on. Oh, and one last thing. Pull that, then kick the parking brake. Daytime running lights. Because I accidentally wired my brake lights to my running lights, which means if I do this, then my brake lights won't work. And it's not completely dark out yet, so we're going to try and not get pulled over. Oh, there's Justin. Second most important part, even though my doors are already chained on the outside. And then we just, off we go. This is exciting. Have to keep my rear view mirror checked up on my tarp, make sure it don't fly off, so we're not going to go very fast. Yep, there it is. I just pressed my brake pedal and my dashboard lit up. I need to fix that. I need to fix that so bad. Yeah, this thing shakes a lot. When I was testing this, 2 of the cylinders don't fire when it's idling, and then 1 of them don't fire when it's driving. That's why there's that like one little cutout instead of it running smooth. It kind of sounds like it's a beat up truck, which it is, considerably. Come to think of it, this thing is so rusty, and water is the cause of rust. Most of the time, it's actually salt from the winter. But, yeah, I'm out here driving it in the rain. What a great idea. I'd be listening to music right now. I'll know when my tarp fell off when things get significantly louder. Oh boy. All right, no traffic. Intrepid. I actually kind of want one of these. They're really nice. I just got the biggest jump scare in my life thanks to the thunder. Other thing, I'm an idiot. A real big idiot. I told myself, I set an alarm on my phone. I did everything in my power to make sure I put this thing in the garage before I went driving. Welcome to having short-term memory loss. Okay, it wasn't that bad. Stayed mostly where it was supposed to. Just gotta... I could just go in there. I could just scooch up, and then we just hope that doesn't spill. Look at him, mocking me with his working door seals. Oh yeah. Welcome to having short-term memory loss. Wait. That's not supposed to be like that. See. Get back in there. I don't want you falling off. There we go. This is going to be great. All right. Oh, hey. Ain't that a pretty car? Off to my local Casey's to go buy me a drink so my brother doesn't kill me. Pray that my head gasket survived that. Oh, and my car came off. Well, good thing my friend Alex lives nearby. Just stop in at his house. You see, this is why you don't make fun of broke people. Because their life is kind of meaningless. Oh, well, ain't that wonderful? It's hailing now. Quick. Ow. This is your fault, Jackson. Yeah, this is exactly what I needed. Hail. It's snow out, but it hurts. You can kind of see where I've suffered from the hail already. A bunch of cracks. That's gonna give me such paranoia. Because this truck is really rusty. So I'm gonna think that, like, stuff is falling apart. Wouldn't be surprised if that was actually the situation. I mainly just need it in here. So let's see. Come on. The top part usually stays in. Now my BT light is blinking. Maybe I should wait out the hail, so like, because when you're driving, you're moving your windshield and that hits it against the window a lot harder. Actually, I can make it to Casey's. Good thing I brought my leaf blower in. Okay, that should stay. Unless the top part flies off. I'm just gonna borrow. Well, I can. What a great idea this was. Yeah. Should I have my running lights on so that my rear lights also are on? Probably. Can I get away with it? Also probably. Okay, now it is actually pouring. But guess what? I'm actually happy. Why? Because I'm not getting rained on. Oh frick, I'm getting rained on. God darn it. You failed me. It's leaking through the one part I didn't get like very sealed. Yeah, this was a great idea. Oh, and my brakes don't work anymore. Well, that's great. Well, they work, they're just really loose. Or they don't, I have to press down further for them to work. I don't like that it's raining inside. I thought you were supposed to prevent that. You guys can't see it because my dash cam doesn't go this far. Oh, there's Big T. But it's raining pretty bad in here. Oh, it's not downpouring again. But watch this. As soon as I start driving, my windshield's gonna start like, you know. Something tells me something bad happened. I don't know what it is yet. It's been a while since I've actually had like fog on my windshield. My windshield's getting all fogged up. We're just going to stop because I don't want to pull out in front of this guy. And there's also no cars coming, so it's fine. Okay. Other slushy acquired for my friend. Slip that back in there. Perfect. I got 3 cup holders in this truck. 2 are in the dash and 1 is in the glove box, which is really nice. It's actually a CD holder, but I repurpose it as a cup holder because it fits cups a lot better. And also the CD in this doesn't work. Okay. Back to fairway. Actually, I should probably pull out that way. Oh no. That's exactly what I want to see. My fuel meter's tweaking out. It just... Great, now I don't know how much gas I have. I wonder if it's the water. About to leave? No, he's not. Well, my fuel meter is no longer tweaking out. I don't know if it works anymore though. Yeah?
I was told you were just here.
Yeah, I brought Jackson something. See you later. That was Max. Yep, I brought some for Jackson. Okay. It is getting dark. I'm surprised I haven't gotten pulled over yet. Then again, I haven't seen any cops at all. Not that I should be scared of them. They're probably right about this tarp situation. If it tries to fly off. And I do need rear lights because this truck is painted black. Try doing a burnout. Yeah, I probably should do a burnout considering the problems this thing already has. Alright, time to give my brother a Coca-Cola. Well, that was actually kind of fun. Except for the part where I got hailed on.